Hi friends, welcome to Shita's Pure Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing potato toasted but in a fancy way to present them. Please watch the recipe till the end because this recipe is very fun to make. So first, as I told you, I don't want to make it simple, I want to make it unique. So here I have a potato, I have washed it thoroughly and now I'm going to cut them into thick slices. And now what do you want to do is you want to take a cookie cutter. I'm taking like a petal shaped cookie cutter and you want to cut it. You can use whatever shape you want. Here I'm using a petal shape. And like this we want the potatoes to be. And now using a cap, you can use, if you have a circle cookie cutter, you can use that as well. And now we need to wash these thoroughly so that the starch is out. Our potatoes are washed and now we will boil them. So now I'm going to turn on the gas and now I'm going to put 1 to 2 cups of water. And now we're going to let the water simmer. Our water is has some bubbles now. Now to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this first with the water. And now to the water I'm going to add our pieces. Add them slowly. It's been 10 minutes and after 10 minutes we're gonna strain this out. And if you think that these are not boiled or you're not sure if they're cooked or not, first you can poke these and these will be easily go through a fork. Very easily it will go through. And now we're going to strain it out. With the help of a strainer, I'm going to just strain these out. Now switch off the gas. We are going to make a seasoning for our potatoes. So first, in a plate, I'm going to take some red chili powder. You will see the measurements on the screen. I have some oregano here. And here I have basil. These are easily available and I really like the brand Kia. These are easily available on any supermarket. Red chili flakes. You can add these according to your spice level and salt as per taste. We're going to shake this around. Now I'm going to take up potatoes. I'm going to coat our potatoes in our seasoning. Potatoes are coated in our seasoning that we made and now we're going to toast them. So now in a frying pan I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil heat And now carefully I'm going to put our potatoes in. And now you want to let the first side cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes or until the side gets golden brown. Till our sides are being golden brown, we're going to make a sauce that we're going to decorate with. So here I have 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. To this I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of tomato sauce. I'm going to make a Thousand Island dressing. I'm going to mix this up. A very pretty orange color. And now to this I'm going to add some oregano. And I'm going to mix this. Because mayonnaise already has salt, I'm not going to add salt. And now we're going to keep this aside. And now we will flip this. It's been 5 minutes and it is cooked. Now we will let it cool for only 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes and now we will plate this. And now in a plate, I'm going to put our potato pieces, and as I told you, I'm making a flower, so I've put them in flower shape. I told you to cool them because so that you can plate them very nicely. It is not that hot. And now put them in a flower shape. And remember the Thousand Island sauce that we made? I've put it in a piping bag. If you want, you can also use a squeeze bottle. And I'm just going to make zigzags. And now I'm going to top this off with a little bit more basil. Just going to sprinkle a little bit. And our potato in a fancy way is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new video or go live. And please follow me on Pinterest, Facebook and Instagram at Rishita's Kitchen.